3 times, but we've already seen snowflakes in the air so far, just flurries. Let's take a close look at the valley here, and you can see that there's really nothing happening in town right now, but there will be later on tonight, given about another hour and a half or so, and I expect a more widespread, steady, light snow to descend upon the city yet again. It has warmed up a bit. We picked up a south wind in parts of the valley. Temperatures 37 out in Washington County at the Reserve Golf Course, and there's a south wind at 9. So that will help keep the snow off the golf course and the valley floor. Not completely, because I think the snowfall will overwhelm that just a bit. So we'll get accumulations on the grassy surfaces, but the cart path may stay snow-free. And I'm being facetious there, but the roadways, obviously way more importantly, I think the roadways will melt out with traffic volume on it. It shouldn't be too bad, but we'll have to watch it closely. If we got a burst of heavy snowfall, that can cover the roads pretty quickly, as we've seen. Have to mention this. It was cold this morning, record cold. Portland Airport set a new record by 1 degree, breaking the old record from 25 years ago. But the downtown Portland record, I think, is the most impressive because that record had stood for 124 years. It was 24. This morning, right here at KGW, we dropped down to 23, setting a new record for the day. Pretty impressive. Same thing in Salem. A 98-year-old record fell when it dropped 1 below the 22 from 1920 down to 21. So it was indeed a very chilly start, and the temperatures right now have climbed into the 30s, pretty much in the mid-30s, but we've got some 40s here and there, which we haven't seen ahead of the last couple of snowstorms. So that south wind is doing its job. But this system is coming on in. There's more cold air behind it. The snow level should settle down to about 1,000 feet, 500 to 1,500 feet over the weekend. This is a really strong pattern, though, for Cascade snow. We're going to pick up feet over the weekend and beyond. So here's Futurecast showing for the valley a rain-snow mix at worst. So no accumulations on the valley floor, but there will be, again, up above 500 to 1,000 feet. And that's the case right on through the weekend. It looks like we catch a bit of a break as we go into Monday, and then Tuesday and into Wednesday, we're going to see some more steady precipitation roll our way. How much snow? Well, up in the Cascades, 54. So think about it, that's almost 5 feet between now and the end of the day on Sunday. Notice nothing over the valleys. Mount Bachelor nearly 3 feet, about 20 inches out at Anthony Lakes. And just to show you what I'm talking about for the valleys, okay, less than 1/10 of an inch of snow in Portland. So we can handle that. That wouldn't be a problem for driving. 38 degrees right now, and the freezing level this morning was 200 feet. Only because that's the elevation to Salem where they released the weather balloon. It was below freezing, as we saw. All right, not on the coast, clear tonight. We've got rain and snow on the way tomorrow for the valleys. Trace to 1/2 inch of snow, and it turns to rain later tonight by about midnight, really, down the valley. So from roughly Wilsonville south, you'll get rain tonight and then rain showers tomorrow in the valleys. Up in Mount Hood, a winter storm watch. That'll be converted to a warning. And Saturday alone, 12 to 20 inches of new snow. And then we'll double that or more on Sunday. Very impressive. For Portland, trace to 1 inch of snow tonight and then rain and snow showers tomorrow. We'll see that wind shift tomorrow to help elevate that snow level just a bit. Overnight lows will be in the 30s and then highs also tomorrow in the 40s. We'll see 40s again on Sunday. And we're in this pattern with about 1,000-foot snow level right on into at least the middle of next week. We're back after this.